Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register with Ally Bank for budgeting around insurance costs. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Ally Bank for budgeting around insurance costs, begin by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Ally Bank's official website. Once the page loads, locate the sign up or register button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on that button to proceed. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your full name, email address, and phone number. Next, create a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Make sure to write down this password for your records. After entering your information, review the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms if you consent. Next, click the button that says Continue or Next. You may need to verify your email address. Access your email inbox and look for a confirmation message from Ally Bank. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Ally Bank website. You can now log in using your email address and the password you just created. Once logged in, locate the budgeting tools available under the Tools or Budgeting section. Explore the various features that can help you manage your insurance costs effectively. You might want to set up categories specifically for your insurance expenses. This will allow you to track spending and prioritize your budgeting efforts. Additionally, consider setting alerts for important payment due dates. With these tools in place, you'll be better equipped to manage your financial commitments. That completes the registration and initial setup process with Ally Bank for budgeting your insurance costs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.